So it's another Rustic cabin weekend. We're heading to Cheboygan State Park. Snow's melting a little bit, and I think it's gonna be a little bit of a warmer trip this year. So follow along and see our adventure.
Keep clinking. Good day, guys. Now you.
So here we are, starting our walk in. I think it's about 1.5 miles. We're hauling our stuff in sleds, heading to Lighthouse Point Cabin. We're spending wonderful 2 nights, 3 days, and cooking some good meals. Snow's a little bit packy and wet, and I think we're gonna have a good time. So I'm ready to enjoy this weekend. So in Lake Michigan, we get this boulder ice. The ice particles start to build up and kind of form snowballs and ice balls in the water and then lap up against the shore. So this is all sort of was loose at one point and now is all solidified into sort of a layer of frozen boulders, ice balls. It's kind of cool. So coming out on the ice is always one of the best parts of the trip. You know, you get out off the shore farther than you normally can. There's different layers, different levels where the water is lapped up and created kind of mounds and then flat spots. Then you got the edge, which builds up where the water's still liquid on the other side. Kind of cool. It's calm. See the lighthouse out in the background and just the big bay near Cheboygan out in the distance. Really peaceful. So we're just walking down the lakeshore, kind of playing around with some of these slabs of ice and checking out the different formations. There's a lot of cool rocks just under the surface. It's probably only about a foot, 2 feet deep in this area, and the water's crystal clear. So we're gonna continue walking down the shore, exploring and seeing what kind of different scenery and exposure to the shore and rocks that we can see, and do a little rock hounding. Well, the weekend is over. We had a good few days of food and drink and experiences. We hiked the lakeshore during the day and then a little bit during the night. Got to see how foggy it is when the temperature rises and the ice is still out there. It's nice to get away without electricity and out in the quiet. So thanks for watching, and hope you like and subscribe, and see you again soon.